Get your favorite t-shirt or download your new coloring sheet and sign up for our ad-free video streaming platform today at kidslearningtubeshop.com. And don't forget to subscribe. Kids Learning Tube!
And now, Engineer Labs presents the elements of the periodic table. There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air, oxygen so you can breathe, and fluorine for your pretty teeth, neon to light up the sign, sodium for salty time, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, then sulfur, chlorine, and argon, potassium, calcium so you'll grow strong, scandium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table, noble gases stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells while electrons are added, moving to the right. Iron is the 26, then cobalt, nickel, coins you get, copper, zinc, and gallium, germanium, and arsenic, selenium, and bromine, while krypton, half-light, purium, rubidium, and strontium, then yttrium, zirconium, platinum, technetium, rhodium, palladium, silver, then cadmium and indium, tin cans, antimony, then tellurium, and iodine, and xenon, and cesium, and barium is 56, and this is where the table splits, where lanthanides have just begun, lanthanum, cerium, and praseodymium. Neodymium sticks to promethium, then 62 samarium, europium, gadolinium, and terbium, dysprosium, polonium, erbium, thulium, and terbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, then we're on to rhenium, osmium, and iridium, platinum, gold to make you rich till you grow old, mercury to tell you when it's really cold, thallium, and lead and bismuth for your tummy, astatine would not be yummy, francium will last a little time, then actinides at 89. This is the periodic table, noble gases stable, halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells while electrons are to the right. Actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium,
Oh, there's one more thing. You can use the other video was 4 years ago. Yep, that's how we're moving on. Yep, you can use no sound effects on, okay?